All we need is a place to be and a few good friends for some company. If you'd like to stay, you don't have to leave. We'll leave the lights on and the door unlocked. If you drop on by, you don't have to knock. We're happy to share whatever we've got.
That's me, I had my red snapper. That's what I had. I had this. But obviously I had it cooked. Where was I? J.O. restaurant. My legs getting sore, I need a massage. I've had one for 3-4 days. What? Any sunglasses in there? Oh, there we go. Sure I saw that. This girl on the tour ship, the Empress, Caribbean Empress, whatever you call it, Lynn. You showed it on your video. Oh, ice cream. What do you have? So this is walking street in Koh Lipe. But I couldn't imagine it being anything else because you can't even have cars here.
Samosa 10 baht, donut 10 baht.
I don't like donuts, sorry. This is something like Pattaya Beach, isn't it? No, walk along the beach, Pattaya Beach. We keep mentioning Pattaya in the video. I'll get loads of people looking for Pattaya. Tune in to my video. Even though it's not Pattaya, Pattaya Beach. Tip box. Nothing's happening. Oh, taxi boat. See, that's what that says normally. But will the world ever go back to normal? Two dogs over there. Motorbike thing here. Oh god, the dogs are coming. Quick. Oh, he's looking at me. Quick. There's a taxi motorbike here. Should we get it? Hello? Are we getting on it? It's 50 each. It's the same. 10 moon. 100. Yeah. Say hello. Okay. Now you can keep an eye on the road. So this is our motorbike home. We got a motorbike home, trip home. 50 baht each. 100 baht. Good way to go home, saves your legs. Okay. Hey. None of these speedos work for these bikes, they're so old. Last night 150,000 miles. I don't know if you can hear me because of the wind. I haven't got the wind thing on my mic. So, attached to the motorbike. I wonder if you get away with this in Glasgow. Let's have a look behind me. Japan flag. Is it Japanese food? Not sure. Beep beep beep. Traffic lights. Here we go! Hey! Oh, he's going to this side. We just hope there's nobody coming here. And here we are! Hey! Is that 100? I don't know what's 100. 1 second, I'm not sure what. That's 500. You don't want that. Well, you do. Is that 100? 500. Flipping heck. Have you got 100? I've got 500. So the guy was painting these earlier. Oh, what a wonderful job he's done. Filming our way home. Okay, so we get dropped. This is our way we got to go home. We get dropped off at the top by a 50 baht moped, or 50 each, 100 baht, a couple of pound. Get dropped off, save the walk. So my legs are exhausted. I need a massage, but you know I can't get one at the moment. Sort my legs out, and I've got to walk down here. Not too bad the walking down. It's when you've got to walk back again. We've gone too far. No. Watch for the big spiders and snakes and crocodiles. Ah, we have lights. And here we go. Back to our room again, and it's only early. We're getting earlier and earlier. So, that's the Baldy Vlogger. Had a hard day of vlogging today. So what have I done today? We got up, had breakfast, forgot the camera, never got that on camera, the breakfast. Then I went to the beach, did a bit of snorkelling, had a red snapper. It was 700, what was it, 760 for the red snapper, and 2 drinks, and some vegetable rubbish with tofu in it, and another drink. Funny taxi thing home, walked down, and now we're in a room, and it is, what time is it? Look, 1847, champions, that's the time. So that's me, so got to sign out after you've subscribed, and hit like, and commented, and press share. But you won't do any of them. But if you want to do one, press subscribe. Right there. There, or there. Or if it's not there, it's somewhere down there on the YouTube bit. But I'm sure you can find it. Bye bye, the Baldy Vlogger.